Welcome back to our channel. If your car doesn't come with a modern infotainment system, the Kuayvan 10.26-inch wireless portable CarPlay screen is a game-changer. Designed to instantly upgrade almost any vehicle, this sleek display brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right to your dashboard. From hands-free navigation to music, calls, and smart voice control, it delivers a safer, smarter, and more enjoyable driving experience, without replacing your factory stereo. Wireless CarPlay / Android Auto, Kuayvan's portable car screen seamlessly blends into your driving experience, offering a range of connectivity options. Whether you're using Bluetooth, AUX, or an FM transmitter, it's designed to harmonize and is compatible with Android Auto and CarPlay. Voice control and real-time navigation. Simply talk to Siri or Google Assistant and get directions from maps, make phone calls, listen to voicemail, send and receive texts, and listen to music all in a way that allows you to stay focused on the road. Your large 10-inch IPS HD touchscreen display provides a comfortable viewing experience while keeping all your favorite content within finger's reach. Front 4K rear 1080p camera. The car display is equipped with front 4K car recorder and comes with a 1080p rear view backup camera, ensuring a clear view of what's behind you for safer reversing and parking. With dual screen recording capabilities, both the front and rear views can be recorded simultaneously, giving you a complete and accurate record of your journeys. Mirror link and audio output. Car stereo CarPlay supports mirror projection to achieve the atmosphere of a car theater. The built-in speaker provides a three-dimensional and realistic double-din stereo experience. There are 4 audio outputs: speaker, CarPlay/Auto, FM, and AUX to choose from. Easy installation, widely compatible, suitable for almost all kinds of cars and trucks, etc. Power supplied, Type-C 12-32V voltage, outstanding value and tech to add to any older vehicle to have modern conveniences, wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, BT, screen mirroring. The Kuayvan 10.26-inch wireless portable CarPlay screen proves that you don't need a new car to enjoy modern driving tech. With its large responsive display, easy installation, and seamless wireless connectivity, it's a simple yet powerful upgrade for daily commuters and road trip lovers alike. Product link in the video description. 4K Ultra HD, experience stunning clarity with a 4K Ultra HD screen that brings maps, music, and messages to life.